Hello everyone. Today our topic is continuity and differentiability and our subtopic is logarithmic differentiation. Today after doing the concept we will solve exercise 5.5 of NCERT. Before starting the exercise we are going to revise some concept. First formula, log of AB means A into B. Log of A into B is equal to log of A plus log of B. Second formula, log A upon B is equal to log A minus log B. Log x to the power y, that is equal to y log x. Now fourth is a very important point, that there is no formula for log of A plus B. No formula. Means if you are given log of A plus B, you can't apply any formula on it. You have done these four formulas in 11th class. Also, if we want to talk about these four things, first, there are two words. One is variable and another is constant. There are four combinations of this: variable raised per constant, constant raised per variable, constant raised per constant, and then variable raised per variable. Now taking an example, here we want to find the derivative of x raised to power a, means variable raised to power constant. Variable raised to power constant. We have already done this derivative. Its derivative is a x raised to power a minus 1. Second concept is constant raised to power variable. Constant raised to power variable. Here a is constant and x is variable. Its derivative has already been done, a raised to power x log of a. Now third is constant raised to power constant. Third, constant raised to power constant. Here a is constant and x is variable. Constant raised to power constant is constant and the derivative of constant is 0. But fourth thing, variable raised to power variable. We have not done this concept in 11th class. Now we will do this concept in 12th class, that is variable raised to power variable, using this topic logarithmic differentiation. Now let us start solving the questions. Our first question of exercise 5.5 is, we have to differentiate cos x into cos 2x into cos 3x. Let us suppose that this is equal to y. Now applying log on both sides, log of y is equal to log of cos x, cos 2x, cos 3x. We have applied log on both sides. Now as you know that log of a into b into c is equal to log of a plus log of b plus log of c. We have changed the multiplication into addition using log. Now differentiate both sides with respect to x. Now derivative of log y is 1 upon y, log derivative is 1 upon y, further derivative of y dy upon dx is equal to log derivative is 1 upon cos x into further derivative of cos x, that is minus sin x, plus log derivative, log of cos 2x derivative, first log derivative 1 upon cos 2x into derivative of cos 2x, that is minus sin 2x into derivative of 2x, that is 2, plus derivative of log of cos 3x, first derivative of log 1 upon cos 3x into derivative of cos 3x minus sin 3x into further derivative of 3x, that is 3. Okay, let's continue. Now dy upon dx is equal to 1 upon y dy upon dx is equal to, now minus sin x upon cos x, that is minus tan x minus sin 2x upon cos 2x minus tan 2x, and this 2, this become minus 2 tan 2x. Similarly, minus 3 sin 3x upon cos 3x, that is tan 3x. Now dy upon dx, cross multiplying this y, we get y into minus tan x minus 2 tan 2x minus 3 tan 3x. Now substituting the value of y from quotient itself, that y is equal to cos x cos 2x into cos 3x, we can't left the answer with y because we have supposed it. We cannot leave the answer in y because we have supposed it. So putting the value of y, that is cos x cos 2x cos 3x, and remaining term as it is, minus tan x minus 2 tan 2x minus 3 tan 3x. This is the answer. To solve third question, we have to find derivative of log x raised to power cos x. Let us suppose this function to be as equal to y. Now check it just that log x is a variable and cos x is also a variable. Means this function is variable raised to power variable. Till 11th class we have not done any such quotient. Now we are going to start the quotient. Whenever there is variable raised to power variable, you have to apply log first. Applying log on both sides, it comes out to be log y is equal to log of log x raised to power cos x. Now as you know that log of x raised to power y is equal to y log x, means log y as it is, log x raised to power cos x, means this is working as x, this is working as y. It comes out to be cos x into log of log x. Now differentiating both sides, we get derivative of log y is 1 upon y dy upon dx. Now here there are two functions, one is cos x and second function is log of log x. Applying UV formula, cos x as it is, derivative of log into log x, log of log x, 1 upon log x into derivative of log x, that is 1 upon x, plus second function as it is, log of log x as it is, derivative of cos x, derivative of cos x as minus sin x. Now therefore dy upon dx, this comes out to be cos x upon x log x minus sin x log of log x. This y after cross multiplying comes here. Now substituting the value of y, we get that y is equal to log x raised to power cos x, log x raised to power cos x into cos x upon x log x minus sin x log of log x. This is the answer. Now fourth question is x raised to power x minus 2 raised to power sin x. Let us suppose this function to be y. Now here first term is x raised to power x, means variable raised to power variable. So we have to take log for this, but if we apply directly log on this, it will come out to be log of x raised to power x minus 2 raised to power sin x. And as we know that there is no formula for log of a plus b or log of a minus b. So suppose we are supposing that first term to be u and second term to be v. So y come out to be u minus v dy upon dx is equal to du upon dx minus dv upon dx. Let us take this term as to be first. Now we will separately find du upon dx from this term and dv upon dx from this term and substitute the value in this first point. Now u is equal to x raised to power x. Taking log on both sides, log of u is equal to log of x raised to power x. Log of u is equal to x log x, because you know that log of x raised to power y is y log x. Differentiating both sides, we get 1 upon u du upon dx is equal to, derivative of log is 1 upon u, for the derivative of u is du upon dx is equal to x into derivative of log x 1 upon x plus log x as it is, derivative of x 1. Now x cancel, so du upon dx is equal to 1 plus log x into 1 is log x, and u cross multiplying substituting the value of u is equal to x raised to power x. So here we have find du upon dx. Now we will find dv upon dx from this term. Now v is equal to 2 raised to power sin x. Applying log on both sides, log of v is equal to log of 2 raised to power sin x. Log of v, as you know, log of x raised to power y is y log x. So sin x come down, sin x log 2. Differentiating both sides, we get derivative of log v 1 upon v dv upon dx. Now here log 2 is constant, the constants come out and derivative of sin x is cos x. So dv upon dx, this v goes for cross multiplication and substituting value of v, it comes out to be 2 raised to power sin x log 2 cos x. So we have find the value of du upon dx and dv upon dx. Substituting these two values in first point, we will get dy upon dx is equal to du upon dx x raised to power x into 1 plus log x minus 2 raised to power sin x log 2 cos x. Now I have solved 4 questions. Now you can try first 11 question of exercise 5.5 by yourself. If you have got any problem, you can WhatsApp me on this number. This is my number 978 00 2 990. You can WhatsApp me or call me. Thank you.